Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is one of the most famous entertainers on the planet. But his journey was never easy. Behind the muscles, the movies, and the millions is a story of failure, pain, perseverance, and relentless belief. This is the rise of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Childhood dreams and family struggles. Dwayne was born in 1972 into a wrestling family. His father, Rocky Johnson, was a professional wrestler. His grandfather, Peter Mavia, was a wrestling legend. But success did not mean stability. The family moved constantly. Money was always tight. At age 14, Dwayne watched his family get evicted from their apartment. He remembers his mother crying in the parking lot. In that moment, he made a promise to himself. "I will never let this happen again." The first big dream. Dwayne believed football would change everything. He trained obsessively. He earned a scholarship to the University of Miami, one of the top football programs in America. He dreamed of going to the NFL. He thought success was finally coming, but life had another plan. He suffered multiple injuries. He lost his place on the team, and when the NFL draft came, nobody wanted him. His dream disappeared overnight. Hitting rock bottom, Dwayne joined a football league in Canada. He earned just $250 a week. He slept on a dirty mattress. He had only $7 left in his pocket. Eventually, he was cut from the team, alone, broke, confused. He went back home, ashamed and lost. He says, "At 23, I felt like the biggest failure in the world, choosing wrestling against his will." His father suggested pro wrestling. At first, Dwayne refused. He didn't want to live in his father's shadow, but then he remembered the eviction. He remembered his promise. He trained day and night. He learned the craft. He studied the crowd. Finally, he entered WWE under the name Rocky Mavia. But the fans hated it. They booed him. They chanted, "Rocky sucks." He felt humiliated. Reinvention. Dwayne made a bold decision. He would stop pretending. He would become himself. The jokes, the confidence, the attitude, he became The Rock. Suddenly, the audience loved him. He turned insults into punchlines. He electrified arenas around the world. And just like that, The Rock became a superstar. Hollywood calls. But The Rock wanted more. He wanted to build something bigger than wrestling. He moved into acting. At first, critics laughed. They said, "He's just a wrestler. He'll fail." Instead, he worked harder than anyone else. He studied acting. He listened. He improved. Film after film, success kept growing, from action hero to comedian to producer to global icon. Success with purpose. Today, The Rock is one of the highest paid actors in the world. He owns businesses. He inspires millions, but he never forgets where he came from. He speaks openly about struggle, discipline, gratitude, and resilience. His philosophy is simple: be the hardest worker in the room. Turn pain into purpose. And never quit when life gets difficult. The rise of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is not about fame. It is about transformation, from eviction to failure to becoming one of the most influential figures in the world. His story reminds us, your past does not define you. Your mindset does. And sometimes, hitting rock bottom is what gives you the strength to rise.